mo din ba maging certified Daddy affiliate ng Sugar Dolls?
Para sa mga hindi pa rin part ng aming Sugar Dolls Affiliates community, i-visit lang ang aming official TikTok account at i-click ang link sa aming bio and voila!
Mag-aantay ka lang ng ilang minuto para makontak ka ng aming team at pwede ka na maging official Dolly affiliate ng Sugar Dolls.
O diba, ganun lang kadali? Kaya join na, Dollies!
Get a chance to receive free products for promotion, high commission rate up to 12 to 15%, kaya sureness talaga ang income. Plus, meron pang monthly incentives like cash, merch, and free products, and many more! Uy, nalimutan mo sabihin na meron din tayong free ads boosting to support their video using ads para naman ma-boost din yung TikTok account nila at mas makilala sila ng buong mundo!
Ha? Di ba parang OA naman nun?
Hoy talaga! Lahat ng perks at benefits basta maging part ka lang ng Sugar Dolls Affiliates community!
Kaya naman follow us on TikTok at Sugar Dolls Affiliates Main.
And don't forget to follow us as well at Hazelyn Perez!
Have